Hey everyone, it's me, cutiesquishy123, and this is my first video on this channel, which is cutiesquishy123. Today, I'm going to be making a squishy that is in the shape of a unicorn, so that'll be very fun. And so you should subscribe to this channel and like and comment, and I'll see you over the craft table. So the materials you'll be using will be colouring pens, any colour that you want. I'm going to be making a unicorn, so I'll probably be using these two most. You'll want some scissors. You'll want some tape. I'm using thick tape because then it'll be faster to cover. And you'll need some paper. You'll also be needing a pencil. So what your first step will be is to get your piece of paper and to fold it in half this way. Put it on the table so you can get a really neat fold. And then just fold up and down. And you're going to want the edges to be touching as close as you can. And just run your nails along both sides. What you're next going to want to do is you're going to want to get your pencil. I'm using a H pencil. And you're going to want to sketch out your design on paper. What you're going to want to do is, the bottom of your design is going to be at the crease of your paper. So my design will reach the bottom. So it fills up with this. You're going to want your design to be touching the bottom. I'll be back with you in a minute to show you. Okay, I have now finished the sketching. This is what mine looks like. And as you can see, I've finished it where the crease is. So like that, because it will be easier later on. Okay, your next step will be to get a black pen or a normal ballpoint pen and go around your outline. And I'll meet you back when you're done. Okay, once you finish, you'll want to get an eraser and rub it out. After you've done that, you'll want to get your colouring pens and you want to colour it in. You're going to want to get your tape and you're going to want to cover the entire image. You don't need to cover the entire white bits, but you're going to want to cover, like, leave a border around your shape of tape. It doesn't have to be perfect, just put a piece there, there, and there. If you're using the thick tape, if you're using the small tape, then you're going to want to put like there, 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 there. Okay, I'll meet you back when I've done that. Tape going around the edge, like I have, then you'll just want to fold them over, like that. You're also going to want to cover the entire back of your image too. You're going to also want to slightly, just a little bit, overlap the tape as you lay it down. Okay, so now that you've covered your entire image back to front with tape, you're going to want to cut it out, but you're going to want to leave a border around it. Well, you don't have to, but it just makes sticking the tape around the edges easier. So I'm going to leave like about a centimetre to a centimetre and a half around the edges. So if you just want to do that, that'll be great. Okay, now that you've cut it out and you've got a white border all the way around, it would be better before you cut it out. I forgot to mention, if you stick the bottom of it together, because then it won't come apart once you've done that, because otherwise it'll just come apart and it's kind of hard to stick together. Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to want to get your small tape and you're going to want to rip off just a small bit. That's a bit big. You just want to get like half of this. Put it on the edge and then wrap it around. If you've got any extra, just fold it over. And now if you've got any extra like this, once you get your next piece of tape, you're going to want to overlap it slightly so like no air comes in. And you're going to want to do that so it bends over. You're going to want to do that all the way around until you get like about an inch away from the end, because you're going to want to be able to spin it with something. Okay, so now that I've finished taking them around, all the way around, and left just a little opening, you're going to want to get some stuffing, if you have any. You can either take some out of toys or you can get a pillow, or I've just bought this massive bag, and you're going to want to get some stuffing, and you're going to want to stuff this until it's relatively full, but you're going to want to squish it. You're going to want to also use a pen to try and get the stuffing, or you can use a pencil, whatever, to try and get the stuffing into all the crevices, to try and get it into the horn, the point of the mouth, and try to get it into the point. now that you've stuffed in, it's nice and squishy, you're going to want to get a few more, just small bits of tape, and you're going to want to patch up the hole that was left, like that. Once you've done that, then you're finally finished. So this is the unicorn squishy. It's very soft and squishy, and we'll cut to a montage of this. Okay, now that we've finally finished, I just want to say a special thanks to the producer that helped me make this video, Ellie. What do they need to do, Ellie?
They need to like, subscribe and comment.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!